But now what I was saying, the good thing with us, for us, once you create an account with us, you come to your account like this. You see this wallet. You see here, there is wallet. Every month you'll be seeing some points on your channel. So those points, every after month they are timed into dollars. And then you can withdraw your money instantly. Once it's turned into dollars, you can withdraw anytime you want. So let's assume that maybe I've come to my account. You see like this, I have 0. But at the end of the month, when I check when the month is done, you will find something there. You understand? Let's assume that maybe I have dollars and I wanted to withdraw. I just come here, I put the dollars maybe I want maybe $5, then I fetch. So here since I have 0, that's why it's not coming, but once you have money, it will automatically come. So let's assume that maybe I want to upload videos, I just come here to create. You can upload a video. We have even shorts, like once you go on YouTube, you only see those things like shorts. Yeah, we've also created ours here. Even if you make on YouTube, you can come to import, you come to YouTube. Then maybe you want to take this, let me just get a small video, like this one. You copy its link. Once you copy your link, you come and paste it here. And then you fetch video. Once you fetch video, they will bring you all the details of that YouTube video. So after that, you just come and put some hashtags. So I'm going to say maybe hashtag